The new Forte is also a bit larger than the old model. It's 3.2 inches longer, and 0.7 inch wider. Kia says this provides the Forte with more passenger space and cargo space. Specifically, the trunk is 15.1 cubic feet, which is 0.2 cubic foot larger than the current model. Kia hasn't announced whether a hatchback will be offered with this new generation. Besides the extra space, the Forte's interior is much more attractive than the monochrome cocoon of the current model. It has more contrast in materials and colors, and a trim, wide-looking dashboard. It also features a standard 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, wireless charging, a 320-watt Harman Kardon sound system, and some additional driver aids will be available as options. Kia has revealed that the Forte will be available in LX, S and X trim levels. If the company sticks to the current powertrain spread, that means there should be a higher output 2.0-liter engine for the X. Kia didn't make any mention of a sporty SX trim, either, which on current model has a 201 horsepower turbocharged 1.6-liter engine. Pricing also has yet to be revealed. All of these tidbits of information should be revealed close to the time the car goes on sale, which is later this year.